You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. It is Gummy Pepperoni Pizza Kit. Now, normally on Saturdays, I do a easy bake video or some type of maker set. Well, I guess this is a little kind of maker set because I have to build my gummy candy pizza. But I'm a little under the weather. It's kind of starting to build up. You feel it and you know you're going to get sick. Well, I'm right at that point. So I'm trying to take it easy, relax, and not stress out my vocal cords and my lungs because I feel it coming in. You know how you feel just like in the back of your throat? Well, that's what's happening. But either way, I will heal quickly. I'm taking care of myself, and I am now going to do the Gummy Pepperoni Pizza Kit Buildable Gummy Candy. Now, flipping it around, well, I could see that's the pizza crust. That's probably the pepperoni, the cheese, and it looks like a liquid gummy candy. Exciting to check that out. There was another Lunchables on the shelf. I'll show that one at the end because that'll be coming up soon. It doesn't actually tell you what all the ingredients are. It just gives you a picture. It says sealed for your protection. Ooh, the seal was broken, but that could happen on those little plastic seals. Can you hear it in my throat? Maybe, maybe not. Now let's get this out of the box. Okay, so now we see it better. Yes, there's a liquid candy in there. And then the only thing I didn't get was a plate. So I'm going to stop there before I open this. I'll grab a cutting tool because it doesn't look like, does it peel? It doesn't even look like it peels. It's one of those non-peeling trays. Oh, I got it. Okay, so it's not a non-peeling tray, but it's hard to open. Let's just see. I'm struggling to open. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a challenge. Oh, it smells good though. One more piece. Wow. Probably next time, I feel like it's all just going to fly everywhere. But they are gummies, so hopefully they're staying in their spot. Ah, there we go. See, too much energy. Too much energy to get in that packaging. Probably should have just cut it. All right, so I'll take a quick look. It is. It's like a red, liquidy gummy candy. And this is the little blocks of cheese, like little mozzarellas. And then here are the pepperonis. A little thicker than I normally put on a pizza, but we could squish them, I guess. I don't know. And then here is the pizza crust. All right, let me get a little serving plate. Okay, you think I would have been prepared? There is the perfect size, what I think is the perfect little plate. Okay, so let's get that in there. Now, do you put the sauce on or the cheese on? I'm going to put this sauce on so that we can see all the ingredients. So let me cut it open with the scissors, and I'll just pour it on. Actually, you know what? I'm going to get 2 more plates. Let's just make all 3 so I can balance out how much gooey goodness I can pour on each one. Okay, trying to prep here. There's my 3 pizzas. Just not thinking straight. There, 3 pizzas. Let's get them all nicely centered. And then I will start putting sauce over here. I'll just let it drip down onto my pizza. 1, just a little bit on each, and then I'll have to see where it goes. Okay, and enough to do a little bit more on each one. Ooh, that stray little dot off to the side. Ruined my presentation. All right, how's that? I could probably scrape out a little bit more, but let me use my little tool. Okay, pizza 1. I try to get the sauce as close to the edge, but I don't want it running over just yet. It's a little crooked on that one. All right, the last one. It's sticky. Okay, we'll put that in the tray. Now we'll put some cheese around. So let's just see how many we have. 2, 3, 4. I'll put 4 on each pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the last pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, don't slide away. Stay. All right, now, ooh, there's 2 more. So we'll put an extra cheese on that one and an extra cheese on this one. So they don't give you an even amount of cheese. All right, now the peps. 3, 4. I guess I can make one all cheese. Maybe I'll do that. 4. 4. Oh, 1 extra pep. All right, so there's 1 extra pep. So I'll make this one with the pepperoni. They give you plenty of pep. See, I already feel like coughing. There we go. That one's leaking off the side. So hopefully you're all staying healthy. My stomach is growling. Haven't eaten a single thing today, just haven't felt like it. So this will be my first snack of the day. Oh, really good. Pizza for my first snack of the day. Not just any pizza, gummy pizza. All right, let me clean off my countertop. Now, how do I cut this? Let me get a couple cutting tools. See, I totally didn't prepare thinking, oh yeah, just eat the gummies and move on. But now, I'm too far in. Okay, a little more prepared. I have a mini pizza cutter. I have a mini knife, a fork. Who eats their pizza with a fork? Some people do. I will, depending if it's like deep dish or it's got a lot of stuff and cheese. All right, so those are my utensils. Let's just zoom in to the pie. Do you call it pie or do you call it pizza? Pizza pie. All right, so fork in hand. Here we go. I'm going to now try to slice my pizza. Okay, so it doesn't seem to want... Oh, it did get a little slice through. I doubt if it's going to go through the pep and the cheese. But at least we're through that. All right, so maybe I'll get a little quarter slice out of this. Here we go. I'm guessing now, being so sticky, yeah, I just feel everything is sticky. Look how it's all sticking to my pizza cutter. There, too close to the edge of the pan. Okay. Am I through? Oh, wow. Okay, so it is very, what I would say, chewy-like. Will this piece come out? Almost. Let me just grab the knife to finish the cut. Okay, so you could tell it's a very hard gummy to get through. All right. Ooh, I did it. Let me take a piece of cheese and a pep. Let me grab it all with my little fork. Come on, stay on there. Stay on there. It's so slippery. It's very slimy-like. All right, here we go. I'm going to now try my first pizza. Okay. It's in my mouth. My jaw just cracked for a reason. It's what I would call like a well-done steak kind of meat kind of chew. It's not a rare steak. It's more like well done. All I taste is the pizza sauce. It's very sweet. Let me just see if I can eat a piece of cheese. Gummy. What do I taste? It had the sauce on it. That's all I really taste. It's like a cherry, maybe a cherry flavor. A piece of the pepperoni. You know, I had this from past videos. I thought, let's do it in the little pizza box. How's that? So now, pizza delivery. Imagine getting that pizza for your pizza delivery. That was the cheese one. I figured I had 2 pepperoni cheese. I'll just show you the 2 here. I'm thinking the best way to eat this now is just to pick it up like this and bite it. Let's see. Okay, it's hard for me to chew. Okay, so not to keep chewing, I'm going to come right back with the other set I found the other day. Can you tell? It's chewy cheese on my pizza. Okay, I'm still chewing, but look. It's the stackers. I've done most of the stackers. Buildable candy. This does not have a sauce, so it's got the crackers, the meats, and the cheese. I'll do that one next. Did I hold it there long enough for you to really study that? Gummy Lunchables, gummy crackers, stackers. And it doesn't really explain what each thing is, you know? All right, I do need to cough. Hold on. Okay, little tea. I think when you eat sugar and you've got that tickle in your throat. All right, so there you go. I'm going to say overall, the novelty of it is the fun part for me. The taste is not necessarily much more than the actual, just the sauce. It's a very sweet cherry, not cherry, but fruity flavored sauce. And you really don't get to taste the other 3 items for your pizza. But still fun to show you and fun to check out. And I'm going to put this in the Lunchables playlist and the USA Candy. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. I should hopefully be back in swing next week by next Saturday. We'll see if it lasts that long. Hopefully not. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.